Hi everyone, this is Prerna and I am here to open my TBB book box. Yes, it's a box which contains book and bookish item. Yes, you can check their page on Instagram and order your book. Basically what happened, they have some variant depending on the coffee, like they have given a variant name as coffee name, cappuccino, mocha, breve box. Yeah, these kind of box name they have. So I was subscribed to them for like almost 3 months, and I had cappuccino box. One of the video is already up on my channel, so you can see. And this one I don't remember, like I ordered the September box, but I don't remember whether I ordered breve box or a mocha box. So I'll just open and we can figure it out. In all of these boxes they sent you few items, like a few bookish items, few books, and the cost of the book and the product is more than the box itself, so you get some good deal basically. Let me just open it quickly and show you what's inside. Yeah, this is one packet. I think it's a book. And they send you a special edition book actually, so that's the something good. You get a special edition book. Oh my god, the box is quite heavy. September theme is written here, you can see it's written here, Dark Academia. Dark Academia box. Thank you for subscribing to India's most loved box of happiness. Yes, it's happiness. It mentioned the sanitize your hand. Yes, I already sanitized my hand and my box also. So first I'll open this side packet. What inside? I'm sure they are sending book, because sometimes it's difficult to fit all the item in the box itself, so they send it separately. And I was right. The book is, oh, let me just, yeah, it's a hard copy, the IVs. And yes, just let me tell you, the Dark Academia box is a mystery thriller kind of box. All the books which we are receiving in this book is kind of related to mystery thriller. So the IVs, this is one of the book which I received. Look at the hard copy of this particular book and the name of the book. Oh my god. Yes, and the quality is amazing. Yeah, always they send a good quality book. You won't regret buying book from them ever. Like, I'm just fan of their boxes. And opened this particular book, and then I recorded for some time, and then I realized that my camera has stopped recording. So this is something, the issue which I'm facing. I'll figure it out later. Let me just show you again what came inside this particular box. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is how the book box look. And the theme is Dark Academia, and they matched it properly, like the black, everything is related to black. I'll just keep it here and show you what inside. This is one of the envelope they sent, and it was a seal pack. It was quite amazing, but somehow I opened it without knowing that my camera has stopped recording. So I'll just show you what inside. We have 3 bookmarks related to these of the books which we received in this particular box. So these are the 3 bookmark. See, this is how it looks, and let me just show you other one. Yes, yeah, so these are 3 bookmark which we received, and then we received few cards. I'll keep it here, and this is the unboxing prompt card, and then the card related to like box, but I don't want to read it right now. And the list of content, 3 bookmarks, author letter, letter opener, song of it. Okay, So we have all the book name inside this particular card. The first book is for your own good, and it's a hard copy. This time what they are doing, they are sending all the book as a hard copy. Basically this is their book of the month, and it was supposed to be a paperback, but they are sending it as a hard copy. So I'll just show you. We have this particular card, character card, and then I'll keep it here. And then we have author letter related to all of the book which we received in this particular box. So I'll read it later. If you want to know anything specific about the letter author, do let me know. I'll share it with you. This is the hardcover, and it looked like this. See the name, for your own good. How beautiful it is written as a white on green. The great combination, like it's amazing looking, amazing. And yes, this is our second book, for your own good. Okay, I'm excited to read this particular. And then let me just open few goodies for you. This we received socks, like yes, I saw on their Instagram stories a sneak peek. This is the socks which they are sending to us, and it's looking amazing. I'm just loving this particular socks, and I'll keep it here. And the cute pouch, this one was again beautifully wrapped in a paper wrapper. I'll show you. This is the paper wrapper in which it was wrapped, but somehow the recording has been missed out, so I have to open it for you again. This one is a letter opener. You can open the letter with this, or you can keep it as a like a showpiece in your home or in your lap. And this is a magnifier which we used to play with in our childhood. So yeah, it's amazing to think of. So next is this pretty book. I know you wanted me to open the Song of Achilles. So this book, I know this is old books, so many of you have already read, but the edition is quite new. It's a collector edition. I'll show you why. And see the gold cover. This is why. This is the special edition created for the TBB like TBB user or client. So this is the special edition. How it is, blue cover and gold and white. Amazing combination. I just love because this is this they have this special thing that they send you a book in a special edition. So you have the unique copy of that particular book. So that's the reason why I love purchasing this particular box. And see how they match the Dark Academia theme with the black cover. And the last book is She Who Became the Sun. I heard a lot of things about this particular book. So when I saw that they are sending this special edition book in this particular box, so I thought, why not to purchase the box itself to keep a special edition. See, I'll show you. This is why it's a special edition, because the thing is written on the book cover, hardcover itself, orange, and the name is not it pretty. Oh my god, yes, oh yes. So I'm quite excited to read these books. Like actually I want to read a lot of books from the TBB box. So I have huge collection of their books. I'll show you sometime. Do let me know if you want to see which books I received in this particular series of the boxes. Like this is my I received third box. Like this is my third box, and the fourth box is April box, which is not dispatched yet. So soon the video will be up on my channel once they dispatch it. It was supposed to be dispatched in September itself, but somehow they are facing some delay. So this is the last product in this particular box, and it's a muffler, and we received a good quality muffler. Oh my god, so nice of you. They sent 4 pencils. Wow, amazing thought. And see, yes, it's a good quality muffler. It's quite warm and woolen. Let me just try it. How it is looking. I'm sure it look nice. Thank you so much. So yes, these are the product which we received in TVB September box, and I'll mention which box I purchased, but I'm sure it's a Brewer box because Song of Achilles or She Who Became the Sun was a part of the Brewer box, if I'm not wrong. So I'll mention it in my video itself somewhere, so you can check it out. And yes, thank you so much for visiting and seeing this video so far. If you like the video, please do comment below and like and share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.